What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can send your live location on WhatsApp. So what you need to do, first you have to go to on WhatsApp. After going to WhatsApp, you need to go to on the chat that you want to send the location to the person. You have to go to on their chat. I'm going to this person and I want to send the location to this person. So please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can send live location in WhatsApp. So after doing so, you have to click on this icon like here. Okay, after clicking on this icon, you have to click on location icon like here, this icon. You have to click on this. After clicking on this, you have to click on the first option like here. You have to click on share live location. Then here is a pop-up. You have to click on continue. After clicking on continue, you have to select the time frame that you want to send the location for which time. So I want to send the location for 1 hour. That 1 hour, for 1 hour the WhatsApp will send my location consistently to this person. So after doing so, you can see here is the live location of mine. The person can see my live location for 1 hour on this option. So how can we stop it? What you need to do to stop it, you have to click on stop sharing, just like this. Then here is a pop-up, stop sharing live location. You have to click on stop. Then the location, live location sending is stop. So this is how you can send a live location to anyone on WhatsApp. So I hope you like this video and subscribe my channel, and please leave a like on this video and follow me for more video like this. Peace.